You know, you mentioned being really interested in like cutting edge cancer treatments, and this lung cancer vaccine trial is like a really good example of that.
Yeah.
We're actually talking about the world's first lung cancer vaccine trial.
It's pretty amazing. Yeah, it's potentially groundbreaking. I mean, for decades, treating lung cancer has meant surgery, chemo, radiation,
Right.
treatments that can be as tough on the body as they are on the cancer.
Right.
This vaccine, though, it offers a whole new way of thinking.
Yeah.
What if we could train the body's own immune system
Yeah.
to target and destroy those cancer cells?
Wow. Okay, so how does it work? How does it do that?
Well, it's actually pretty elegant. The vaccine is called BNT116,
Okay.
and it uses mRNA. It's the same technology behind, those COVID vaccines that we've all
Right.
heard so much about. Essentially, we're taking a proven tool
Right.
and we're aiming it at cancer.
Yeah. I remember when that whole mRNA technology first came on the scene, it felt very like
Yeah.
Star Trek kind of thing,
Yeah.
But so how do you go from like a virus
Right.
to tackling cancer with this?
Well, think of mRNA as a software update
Okay.
for your immune cells. Okay, so the vaccine delivers these instructions,
Okay.
showing the immune system what lung cancer cells look like and then how to eliminate them.
So it's like giving our bodies a fighting chance without like
Yeah.
the side effects of those other harsher treatments.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Targeted therapy, that's the key here.
Okay.
We're not just carpet bombing the
Yeah.
body.
Right.
We're giving very precise instructions to hit the cancer cells while sparing healthy tissue. So fewer side effects, potentially a better quality of life
Right.
during treatment. That's really the goal.
And this isn't just happening in like one lab, right? Like this trial is much bigger than that.
Oh, absolutely, yeah. 34 research sites, 7 countries.
Wow.
It's a true team effort.
Wow.
And the UK is right there, right in the thick of it.
Yeah.
They dosed their first patient just last month.
That's amazing. So they're including patients with various stages of non-small cell lung cancer. That's
Yeah.
the most common kind, right?
It is, yeah, it is.
Yeah.
And that means this trial has the potential to help a lot of people. But of course, there are still big questions to answer. Is it safe? What's the ideal dosage? How effective is it, on its own and when you combine it with other treatments? We have to look at all that.
So they're really trying to see like if this vaccine can actually boost the effectiveness of the current treatments.
Exactly. We're looking for what we call a synergistic anti-tumor effect.
Okay.
Basically, can the vaccine make chemo or immunotherapy even more effective
Right.
at shrinking tumors?
Right. It's more than just shrinking the tumors, though, right? It's about like,
Yeah.
giving someone facing a lung cancer diagnosis a
Yeah.
better shot at just like
That's
having
right.
a good quality of life.
It's about living better, not just living longer,
Right.
right? And that's a big part of it. It makes you wonder, like,
Yeah.
if this is successful
Yeah.
against lung cancer,
Right.
what other cancers might we be able to target
Yeah.
using this same technology?
That's pretty amazing to think about. It sounds like this trial could really change the way we think about treating cancer in general.
It very well could be a turning point. The future of this technology and all of its potential uses is something that has researchers all over very, very excited.
Yeah, it's definitely something to keep an eye on. We will do another deep dive on this as more information comes out. But for now, this is very hopeful, I think, for the future of cancer treatment.
A lot of hope.
Yeah.